Baby, get into the, and it ain't, stiff wear her. Stiff wear poo, like, it's got that emotion. Queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. And I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Love Me hair party. And if you are not new here, welcome back, friend. We're so glad to see you again, okay? So obviously, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're getting into this wig review, this wig install. Y'all haven't seen me in a bob and a bang in years, like literally years. If you are an OG here, then you probably remember that time I did that quick weave with that black bang and bob. But baby, this is more than a quick weave. This is better than a quick weave. This is a quick install. This literally took me not even 2 seconds to do, okay? So if you're interested to see how we got this look, this bob with all this emotion, then definitely just keep on watching. Something about your hands on my body. Something about the way you just give me. Hi Queens. So we're gonna get into this new unit from Love Me Hair. So thank you to Love Me Hair for partnering with me on this video and sending me over this cute little unit, okay? This is a easy pop on and go unit. Like, this is for my girls that don't know nothing about no glue, no lace bond, no gots to be. Like, this is for that girl. This is a completely easy, beginner friendly type of wig. So here is the box. You've got the beautiful logo on the front. Girl, mine got a little bit up in transit, but it's okay. It's kind of like a little mini shoebox for your wig. How about that? Okay. So when you open it up, you have like this, you know, little packaging saying, enjoy your hair journey from now on. The wig, we're gonna get into that later, but the wig is in there. And then you have a bunch of other goodies as well. So it comes with a bonnet, a nice little satin line bonnet. Yeah. Also got a lace melt band. Now you don't actually need this for this wig because we ain't gotta be worried about cutting no lace with this unit, but you get one anyway for your other units, okay? You get wig caps to protect your hair. Now me personally, I don't wear wig caps under my wigs unless I'm doing like the ball cap method, because girl, I ain't got no hair. Like, if you want to actually like keep your hair intact under your wig, that's what you can use this for. But girl, I clearly don't need that. And also, look what they sent me. They sent me a mini little flat iron. I'm so excited to try this because I just love a hair goodie, okay? Really gonna come in handy for this unit because it's a bob and I know I'm gonna wanna kinda like straighten it out a little bit, but check the logo on the flat iron. Like, I could not get over this. I was so excited about this part of the package. So let's go ahead and get this wig out, child, because she's different from anything we've ever done before. Well, actually, that's a lie, because I have done bobs before and I've done bobs with bangs before. I've even done this color before, but just not in this style. So this is the hair. It's kind of like I would compare this color to like a 99J color. Like, that's pretty much what it's similar to. If you're familiar with braiding hair at all, or like just, you know, synthetic wigs you can get at the beauty supply store, this is pretty much like a 99J color with a little twist to it. So let's go ahead and pop her on. In the inside of the wig, you do have an elastic band that comes with it. Now, I love these because with me not having any hair, I can't use the combs to secure the wig. So this works amazing for me. And you do have combs though in the wig if you have longer hair, and you can actually tuck them into your hair. So I'm just gonna take the elastic band and just pop it on my head, and we're gonna style her from there, okay? Ciao. This is literally a pop on and go wig. Like, be for real. Okay, let me get her in the right place, in the right spot. Adjust her. And I will say this wig is definitely big head friendly because I have a lot of room in there. But of course I don't have hair, but I'm pretty sure like with all the extra room I have, like it's a lot of space in there. Okay, so this is her, like, you know, fresh out the box, just plopping her on. And let's get into styling her. Like, you can just pop her on, shake her eye, and be out the door like this if you really feeling feisty, you know, if you really feeling like that. But for me, I'm gonna do a little tweaking. I wanna just use the flat iron really bad. Like, I'm really pressed to use the flat iron. So I'm gonna pull her out, heat her up, and then we're gonna press it out a little bit and see what she can do. But this is, of course, the first look, first impression. Like, what's it giving? Really cute cut, cute little length on her when you feeling short and sassy, you know what I'm saying? But what do y'all think about this color on me? Okay, y'all, so this is the look, honey. I just took the little mini flat iron and I tried to press it out the best I could because, baby, it was just a little too bumped for me. When I wear a bob, I want it to be bone straight. So I tried to just take the bump out. The bone straight bob is a moment. Now, let me know what y'all think about this color on me. I just got to get used to it because I rock the platinum hair on my real hair. When I get wigs, I usually go for black. So this is really something new for me, like this color. But I'm feeling it. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think. Meet me in the comment section. It's definitely an easy unit. Like, you saw how I literally just popped this on my head. Like, we didn't even have to cut no lace. We didn't even have to flat iron it. That was just my personal choice, just because I wanted to try to get a little bit of the bump out. Let me show y'all the back so I can get the full view, but just get into it, okay? Talk about motion. Okay, stiff wear. Yeah. We got that motion in our unit. I don't know what y'all got over there. It already comes with layers in it. I just like literally straightened mine out, but like look at the layers. Like, so it's gonna work for everybody. You don't have to do any additional cutting to this unit. It's just perfect for on the go. It's perfect for every day. You really can just pop it on and go, babe. Like, you can literally be out the door in 2 seconds, okay? And you ain't even gotta do your brows. Like, I have my brows done because I filmed this makeup look, but you wouldn't have knew if I didn't. Like, you literally don't even have to do your brows, like, or your forehead makeup. Like, this will cut down on 50% of your getting ready time. And I love that for us. So, baby, get into the, and it ain't stiff wear. Stiff wear, poo. Like, it's got that emotion. It's got that motion in the ocean, okay? This is the perfect little summer wig. Just throw it on. You ain't gotta worry about no heat. You can just, okay? Right at the end of the day, and we love that. Don't forget to shop the link down below. I'll have all the information you need in the description box to shop this Love Me wig. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time, okay? Beats and love.